Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY s'mores frappuccino right from your own home. This is so easy to make and it's going to save you a lot of money, so let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need are some graham crackers. You're also going to need some marshmallow cream, or you can even use some marshmallows. You're also going to need some cocoa powder, and any brand or kind will do. You're also going to need some chocolate syrup, some whipped cream, so you can either get the pre-made stuff or you can even make it from scratch, and then you're going to need some pre-made mocha iced coffee. So you're going to put 2 tablespoons of marshmallow cream into a bowl, then squirt in some whipped cream and combine these two. This is going to go in the bottom of the cup and is going to be the marshmallow element of this drink. Then you're going to put 1 graham cracker into a plastic bag and then smash it with a meat tenderizer until it is fine crumbs. So then you're going to put 2 cups of ice into a blender and add 1 cup of the mocha iced coffee. And even though I didn't film it, this is where you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then put the lid on and blend until everything is combined. So after it's all blended, you can go ahead and pour the marshmallow mixture into the bottom of the cup. Then you're going to take the cup and drizzle some chocolate syrup all around it. You really want to make sure to drizzle this along the sides so it creates a nice design for the final drink. Then you can go ahead and pour in the coffee mixture. So then you're going to top it off with some whipped cream and then sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs over top. And that's pretty much it. This is how you make the Starbucks s'mores frappuccino. If you guys try this out, let me know how it turns out in the comment section down below. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.